welcome back to another video. And I've seen like the mines update, and that seemed pretty cool. So I think it's gonna be something related to that. Like they might add new ghosts or something. It'll be really cool. So we're just gonna check it out in this video. See what's. Oh my RTX! Holy crap! No! Why is my stuff is broken? What? Wait, what the frick? Yo! Oh! Oh my gosh. Holy crap. What is that? Oh. Dude. Nah. Wait. What the heck? I'm so scared. What the heck is this? Yo! They just disappeared. Why am I pink? What? I don't know if I trust this. You know, I don't know. Come closer. I want to see what's over here by the campfire first. Hey guys. Oh, hang on. Let's go up to treehouse. Why is the light red? Yo. No. Hey. What? Nah. Okay, wait. I'm actually super scared. I'm so scared. Dude, it's actually so dark. What the freak? Okay. It's alright. Ah! What the frick? Oh my freaking gosh.